You've put together a solid business presentation. The content is there, the data is solid, but you're delivering it as a flat PowerPoint or PDF, and deep down, you're not sure it's enough to hold the room. A flipbook presentation changes that. It's an interactive, page-flipping format where you can add clickable links, videos, contact forms, and more, giving your audience everything they need while keeping them engaged from the first page to the last. Instead of a static deck they scroll past, you're handing them something they can actually explore, click into, watch, and refer back to. You can present it live, share a link so your audience follows along on their own screen, or send it after the meeting so stakeholders can flip through it at their own pace. Here's how it works in Flipsnack. First, click on Create. Then, upload your PowerPoint or PDF and your business presentation is converted into a flipbook. You can already spot the difference. It's easier to navigate and it's adaptable to any screen size, whether it's mobile, tablet, or desktop. From there, make it yours by adding your logo to keep your brand front and center. Match your brand colors so even the player feels consistent and professional. And adjust the background and keep everything polished. Now comes the interesting part. If you click on Edit, you can add interactive elements so your flipbook presentation stands out. Embed a product video, an explainer, or any video that adds context to your slides. Add clickable link buttons that take your audience straight to supporting documents, extra resources, or any page you want them to visit. You can even customize the button color to match your brand. Or include a contact form so your audience can reach out, ask questions, or leave feedback, turning your presentation into a two-way conversation. When you're ready, choose how you want to publish it and how visible you want it to be. I'll publish this business presentation as unlisted, so only people with the link can open it. After that, share it your way. Send the link directly to those who will attend the meeting, or generate a QR code your audience can scan during the presentation. You can also share it via email and fully customize how it looks. Add your logo, adjust the email text, match the colors to your brand, and save those settings so every future presentation goes out looking consistent. And if you want to know if the presentation landed, check the analytics. See who revisited it after the meeting, which slides got the most attention, and where interest dropped off. You can also see who filled in your contact form and what they submitted, and through heat maps you can see exactly what caught their eye, where people clicked the most, and what they interacted with. Ready to make your next business presentation work harder before, during, and after the meeting? Click the link below and start creating with Flipsnack today.